Hey there, fellow travelers and K-culture enthusiasts. Are you planning a trip to Korea? Or just eager to learn the Korean language? Before you indulge in street food, K-pop shops, and stunning palaces, you'll want to have some key phrases ready. Trust me, it'll make your journey so much smoother. Today, I'm sharing the essential Korean phrases you need to know for your visit. We'll keep it fun, easy, and practical. Before you know it, you'll be sounding like a local in no time. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more Korean travel tips, culture hacks, and language guides. Ready? Let's get started. Here are some common ways to say hello and goodbye in Korean and when to use each one. Whether you're at a cafe, meeting a new friend, or just being polite, knowing how to greet in Korean is the key. Let's break down the basics so you can greet like a local respectfully and confidently. 안녕하세요. This is your go-to greeting in Korea. Polite, warm, and perfect for almost any situation. Whether checking into your hotel or greeting a shopkeeper, it literally means "Are you at peace?" but is used just like hi or hello. The clearer and more confidently you say it, the more appreciated you'll be by locals. Pro tip: add a slight bow when you say it. It shows extra respect and is very natural in Korean culture. 안녕히 계세요. Goodbye when you are leaving. 안녕히 가세요. Goodbye when they are leaving. Yes, Korean goodbyes change based on who is staying and who is leaving. Let's break it down. Geseo comes from the verb to stay, so you say this to someone who's staying behind, like leaving a cafe while your friend stays. Geseo comes from the verb to go, so you say this to someone who is leaving, like waving goodbye to your friend, walking away. It may sound like a small detail, but Koreans will definitely notice and appreciate your effort when you get it right. Next is 감사합니다, means thank you. This is one of the most essential phrases you'll use every single day in Korea. 감사합니다 is the formal and polite way to say thank you. It's perfect for situations where respect is important, which in Korean culture is basically everywhere. Use it when paying at a convenience store or restaurant, getting help from a stranger, accepting something from someone older than you or in a formal setting, saying thanks to taxi drivers, hotel staff, tour guides, you name it. It's warm, respectful, and will instantly make a good impression. Don't be shy about using it. Koreans love when visitors make an effort to be polite. 고마워요. Also, thanks, thank you. This one's a little more relaxed, but still polite. You can think of it as the thank you you'd use with someone your age, a new friend, or someone you're getting to know casually. It's not overly formal, but it's still respectful enough to use in most situations. Try it when a friend holds the door for you, someone your age helps you take a photo, a friendly shop owner hands you a sample product. There's also an even more casual version, 고마워, which you'd only use with close friends or people younger than you. So if you're unsure, stick with 고마워요 or the safer 감사합니다. Pro tip: add a smile and a slight bow when saying thanks. It's small, but in Korean culture, it goes a long way in showing sincerity. Now, let's talk about some basics, saying yes and no in Korean. These two little words will take you far, especially when you're shopping, ordering food, or answering questions on the go. They're simple, polite, and essential for everyday situations. Ne, which means yes. It is the most standard and polite way to say yes in Korean. It works in almost every situation, from answering questions at a store, to agreeing with someone in a conversation, or even just showing that you're listening. Fun fact, Koreans also use ne, yes, 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 in conversation as active listening, even when they're not actually agreeing, but just showing they're paying attention. 아니요, which means no. This is the standard and respectful way to say no in Korean. It's not rude. It's totally normal to use this word in stores, restaurants, or when politely turning something down. Want to sound even softer or more casual? You can say ung for yes with friends, any for no with close friends. Just remember, casual speech is only for people your age or younger, or when you're comfortable with someone. And that's your crash course on the top Korean phrases to know when visiting Korea. Keep practicing! Even learning just a few can make your trip smoother and help you connect with locals. What other Korean phrases do you want to learn next? Drop them below so we can include them in part 2. But first, which one are you using right away? Drop it in the comments. And if you're loving the language tips, culture deep dives, and travel guides, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell. Safe travels, and see you in the next one.